Wife, my lovely daughter, and my lovely neighbors, Blake and Alicia.
Welcome to all of you, Blake and Alicia. It's wonderful in John's family. All right. Now, these Wacos are wonderful. They're the best flying airplanes on the field. The reason they didn't get the contracts, again, is too many parts, too easy to fly, wide stance landing gear. That came with the Continental 220 horsepower 7-cylinder engine built in Michigan. All car manufacturing came to an end once we got into war manufacturing. Starting up this 7-cylinder built in Muskegon, Michigan. Continental engines, now in Alabama, but they weren't during the war. All right, here's the Black Baron checking out the winds. Clear on this one, another 220 horsepower engine. Those are all Continental engines. Conn, same thing. Fixed big propellers. 670 cubic inches. That's a brand new engine in that one.
That sounds really sweet there, Keith.
Firmin had that put in just this last winter. Baron is walking around, seeing what he can get into. These are airplanes alone, Baron.